IRAP is more than a checklist. It's a real-world process grounded in context, risk, and trust. In this video, I'll share 10 lessons I've learned on the ground that you won't find in any ISM chapter or assessment template. IRAP isn't about ticking boxes or passing a checklist. It's about surfacing risks in your real-world environment and helping decision makers act with clarity and confidence. Policies sitting in SharePoint don't mean controls are working. What really matters is evidence, like screenshots, logs, or talking to the people who actually run the system. The ISM gets updated for a reason because threats evolve. You can't just follow a static checklist. Tools like Stride or MITRE help you adapt security to real-world risks. No system's perfect, and that's okay. The point of an IRAP assessment isn't to find no gaps. It's to show how risks are identified, explained, and responsibly managed. In IRAP, scope isn't based on the system name. It's based on the data. What is stored, processed, or transmitted? And what's the impact if that data is compromised? The SOE is your security foundation. A weak one means inconsistent patching, unreliable monitoring, and poor control coverage. A strong SOE creates stability and makes IRAP success much more likely. As an assessor, you won't uncover the full picture from just documents or site visits. The real knowledge lives with system admins, IT staff, and system owners. Interviews are how you join the dots, so ask smart questions and listen carefully. Threat modeling isn't just for technical people. Frameworks like MITRE and Stride help identify weak points, justify your controls, and communicate risk in a way executives can actually understand. The Protective Security Policy Framework, or PSPF, sets the rules. It tells you what's important, such as classification, vetting, and physical security. The ISM is how you implement those protections. Smart IRAP assessments always start with PSPF context, not just ISM controls. An IRAP report isn't just for the IT team. It's for risk owners, executives, and business leaders. Your job is to give them clarity. What matters most, where the risks lie, and what they need to act on. Don't just list gaps. Highlight the context behind them. Thanks for watching. If this helped clarify IRAP or ISM for you, follow along for more practical insights into cyber risk, governance, and real-world security.